Hi, I'm Jerry Sabloff. I'm a member of the Friends of Archaeology Board and a retired archaeologist. I'd like to talk to you about the relevance of archaeology in the modern world and the importance of educational outreach concerning the nature and significance of archaeology. Now, archaeology as a discipline has grown rapidly in the past half-century and has been very successful in increasing our understanding of human activities over many millennia. Archaeologists now work around the globe in virtually all places and many time periods. Public appreciation, fortunately, of archaeological research also has grown appreciably, but unfortunately, general knowledge of what archaeologists do and what their goals are has lagged behind, and many believe that archaeology is only about the past and not relevant to the world today. However, I strongly believe that archaeological research does matter in the modern world in a wide variety of ways. Archaeology may not be able to save the world, but it can potentially shed light on some of the most really pressing problems, from the overuse of the environment to the rise and spread of inequality, to just mention two examples. Archaeologists find it best to start early with grade school students to show them the real nature and the excitement of archaeology, as well as the value of scientific archaeological research. One of the very best outreach programs in this country in regard to both education and archaeology is the award-winning Office of Archaeological Studies educational program here in New Mexico. But in these tight fiscal times, this important program needs public support.